Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Metal Wand Mascara available on the market, the Black Washable Metal Mascara Wand by Okerker. This mascara combines innovative design with a high-performance formula, promising a stunning lash look that lasts all day. The first thing that stands out about this product is its precision wand. The mascara features a 0.5mm precision metal thread wand that allows you to coat each lash evenly. This unique design is especially beneficial for those with fine, sparse, or small lashes, and it's ideal for older women seeking a natural yet enhanced lash appearance. The wand's slim profile helps in separating lashes beautifully, avoiding any clumping and giving your lashes a lifted, curled, and elongated effect. One of the best features of this mascara is how easy it is to clean and reuse. Unlike traditional mascaras with plastic or synthetic brushes, this metal wand can simply be rinsed with water after each use, preventing buildup and ensuring a smooth application every time. This washable aspect makes it a more hygienic option and contributes to its longevity. When it comes to application, the recommended method is to start with curling your eyelashes using an eyelash curler to set the foundation. Then, apply the mascara with a Z-shaped motion from the root to the tip of each lash. This technique maximizes volume and length in multiple layers, helping you build up your desired lash look gradually without worrying about flaking or smudging. The formula itself is waterproof, quick-drying, and packed with rich, high-color pigments. It promises long-lasting wear that resists smudging and flaking, making it perfect for all-day use in any weather or situation. You'll get that gorgeous, natural lash separation and lengthening effect without the mess of traditional mascaras. Designed without wax and with a non-clumping, tubing formula, this mascara ensures that each lash is coated individually and naturally. It's a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a slim volume effect with buildable coverage, enhancing your lashes without making them look heavy or artificial. In summary, the Okerker Black Washable Metal Mascara Wand offers precision, ease of cleaning, and a long-lasting waterproof formula designed to give your lashes a natural yet striking appearance. Whether you have fine, short, or sparse lashes, or simply want a mascara that delivers separated, curled, and elongated lashes, this product is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.